Today we're painting another murmuration, this time over some still water. So the atmosphere of this is a sunset or a sunrise, very pale wash of orange, purple and light blue. Just some vague hints of background trees in the distance. This is painted, if you notice, using purple. Onto the reeds, over a very wet wash of light yellow, adding purple for the tops of the bushes, and then some shadows down at the water level. The water needs to reflect the sky colour to a certain extent into the wet paper, adding the reflections of the reeds. Adding a shadow in, again into the wet paper, and now using a mask to spatter on the murmuration. I'm using a very wide-angled brush there, adding a few extra bits of randomness, and then in the foreground some more reeds with a bit more detail, just painted very loosely and roughly, with a few hints at the heads of the reeds. So quite an effective, simple scene, very atmospheric. If you learnt something or enjoyed it, feel free to comment or subscribe. Thanks for watching.